Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video, then this video is all about how to make DIY overhead camera setup. If you are a DIY content creator and making content by using your mobile phone, then this is best ever video for you. This video will be very special and useful in your way. Let's make it with simple tools and technique. Here is a small corner of KoMBC where I create DIY content videos. Here I am making overhead mobile phone camera setup. For this I am taking two extendable pipes. The wall is very sensitive, so I am using cardboard holding unit. The holding unit was not tightened, so it fell down. Let's fix it again. Here I extended the pipe between two walls with the help of cardboard support. Here is PVC pipe. I have inserted two types of PVC pipe inside this. I am taking big size nut bolt here because this will hold all the loads. That's why it must be big or strong enough. Here I am attaching a piece of wood covered with cardboard with the help of this angle connector. This piece of wood will provide different angle to our camera. Again, here is PVC T socket connected with two circular wood, which will sit on this wooden frame, and the whole unit will slide on two white pipes. I fixed knot in the wood, which will make it easy to loose and tight. Here is 49 cm long PVC pipe attached clipping unit on one side. This is clipping unit. I made it with a nut and bolt and a PET bottle cap. Here is another 45 cm long wooden stick attached angle provider on one side. here is top part of tripod. I bought it from a scrap store. If you use strong parts, then it can hold camera too. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Thank you.